Welcome guys. In this video I will write the Python program for the 8th exercise of chapter 9. This exercise says that write a program that keeps vegetable names and prices in a dictionary as a key value pairs. The program should display a menu that lets the user see a list of all vegetables and their prices, add a new vegetable and price, change the price of an existing vegetable, and delete an existing vegetable and price. The program should pickle the dictionary and save it to a file when the user exits the program. Each time the program starts, it should retrieve the dictionary from the file and unpickle it. This is the vegetables data text file that contains the names of the vegetables and their prices. This program will be able to write the vegetables and their prices to file. Also, it will be able to update and delete the data regarding the vegetables. Let's write the program. First of all, create a function to display the menu options. For this, def display menu. This function will display the menu option to the user to add, update and delete the vegetables data. So first of all, in this method print menu. After this, print first print is display all the vegetables and prices. After this, 8 number 2 print add a new vegetable and price. Eight number 3 print change the price of an existing vegetable. And 8 line 4 print delete an existing vegetable and price. And 8 line 5 print exist. This is the function that will display the menu options. It will display 1 for display all vegetables and prices, 2 for add a new vegetable and price, 3 for change the price of an existing vegetable, and 4 for delete an existing vegetable, and 5 will be for the exist of the program. After this, define a function to load data from the text file. So def load data, and in this function try to open the file, create a variable file and set this equal open vegetable data text file in read mode. After this, read all the lines from the file. So create a variable lines and set this equal file dot read lines. And after this, initialize an empty dictionary to store vegetable data. Create a dictionary vegetables data and set this equal empty dictionary. After this, iterate over each line in the file to store the vegetable data in the vegetable dictionary. So create a for loop for line in lines list. Split each line into vegetable name and price using the colon. So set vegetable comma price is equal to line dot strip, and after this split this line into two values on the basis of colon. So split colon. Now after this, convert the price to floating point number. For this, set vegetables data for every vegetable and convert the price to floating point values. For this, use the float method and give this price as argument. This will convert the price to floating point values. Now, this was the try block. Outside the try block, write the exception. So except file not found error. If the file is not found, then initialize an empty dictionary. It means that no vegetable data is stored. Vegetables data is equal to empty dictionary. And this function will return, load data function will return vegetables data. Return vegetables data. Now after this, we'll define a function to save data to the text file. For this, create a function save data in file and give this vegetables data as an argument. Vegetables data, that is the that will be the dictionary storing the vegetables data. And in this function, write the code to save the data in the file. So first of all, open the vegetable data.txt file for writing mode. For this, create a variable file and set this equal open vegetable data.txt in write mode. After this, iterate over each key value pair of vegetables and price in the vegetable data dictionary. For vegetable, comma price. In vegetables data.items. After this, write each entry to the file in the format vegetables colon price. For this, file.write format vegetable colon price. This will display the this will write the data in this format vegetable name and the price of the vegetable after the colon in the file. Also add the new line at the end of the line. This is the function that will save the data in the file in the format vegetable name colon price. Now we will define a function that to display all vegetables and their prices. For this, define a function display all and give this the dictionary as parameter vegetables data. In this function, print vegetables and prices. After This iterate over the items in the vegetable data dictionary for vegetables, comma, price. In vegetables data dot items, and in this loop, print the vegetable name and price formatted with two decimal places. For this, print first print the name of the vegetable. After this, print the column, and after this, print the price. PKR and price. This function will display all the vegetables with their prices. Now we have to define a function to add vegetables to the file. For this, define a function add vegetables having one parameter vegetable data, and in this function get user input for the new vegetable and its price. For this, create a variable vegetable and set this equal input, enter the name of new vegetable. After this, prompt the user for the price of the vegetable, enter the price of the vegetable, and this will be in float data type. After prompting the user to enter the name of the vegetable and price of the vegetable, write these prices to the vegetable data dictionary. So we will add the vegetable data, that is the vegetable name and the price, into the vegetable data dictionary. For this, here is spelling mistake. So vegetable set vegetables data and give this the key, that is the vegetable that user want to enter, and then the price of the new vegetable that user stored in the price variable. After this, print a confirmation message, print vegetable vegetable name is stored in the variable, so use the vegetable variable, comma, add the string has been added with a price of pkr price. Now, after updating the data in the vegetable data dictionary, call the save data in file function to add the data to the text file. So the data in our text file will also be updated. For this, call the save data in file method and give this the vegetable data dictionary. This will update the data in the text file also. Now one method we have to define is change the price of the vegetable. So define a function change price and give this vegetables data parameter vegetables data, and in this function get the user input for the vegetable to change its new price. For this, create a variable vegetable and set this equal input, enter the name of the vegetable to change the price. After this, set an if statement to check whether the vegetable is present in the vegetable data. If vegetable in vegetables data dictionary, then create a variable new price and set this equal float input, enter the new price. After this, update the price of the existing vegetable in the vegetable data dictionary. So set vegetables data for vegetable is equal to new price. And after this, print the confirmation message. Print the price of vegetable has been updated. After updating the price into the data dictionary. Call the save data and file function to also change the prices in the text file. So call save data and file and give this the arguments vegetables data dictionary. Now we have to define the last function to delete the vegetable data. For this, define a function delete vegetables and set this equal, sorry, give this the vegetable data parameter and in this function get the user input for the vegetable to delete. So create a variable vegetable and set this equal, enter the name of the vegetable to delete, input, enter the name of the vegetable to delete. After this, check if the vegetable name is present in the vegetable data dictionary. If vegetable in vegetable data, then delete the specified vegetable from the vegetable data dictionary. So delete vegetables data item with the key of vegetable and also print the confirmation message vegetable has been deleted. After this, also delete this vegetable from the text file. For this purpose, delete call the save data and file method and give this the vegetables data dictionary as argument. After this, in the else clause, if the vegetable name is not present in the vegetable data dictionary, then print vegetable not found. Sorry, write this variable vegetable not found in the list. Now all the functions are defined. We have to write the main program now. So for the main program, In the main program, first of all, load existing data from the text file. For this purpose, we will call the method load data and will store the vegetables data that it will return in vegetables data dictionary. So create a variable vegetables data dictionary and set this equal load data. This is the load data function that will load the data from the text file. After loading the data from the file, also check whether program is working or not. So create a main program loop while true. Display the menu option. For this, call the display menu function. This will display the menu option that I have defined in the display menu function. After this, prompt the user to enter the input for the chosen menu option. For this, create a variable choice and set this equal input, enter your choice. Also mention this choices are from 1 to 5. After asking the choice of the user, execute the chosen menu option based on the user input. For this purpose, we will use the conditional structure if choice is equal to 1. If choice is equal to 1, then display all vegetables data. Now, in this if statement, it will check if the choice of the user is 1, then it will display all vegetables data. Because see here in menu, if the choice is 1, display all vegetables data and prices. So if user enter the choice 1, I call the message display all and give this the vegetables data dictionary as argument. After this, elif elif choice is equal to 2, sorry, choice is a string, so we will check it in this type. If choice is equal to 2, write this condition in front of elif. If choice is equal to 2, then call the function add vegetables and give this the argument vegetables data dictionary. Let's check whether these functions are working properly. After checking this, we will call the next functions. There is an error. Name load data is not defined. L is capital. Now run the program. And it displayed the menu, display all vegetables and prices, add a new vegetable and prices, and so on. As we called two functions, add a new vegetable prices and display all vegetable. Let's check with the first choice, that is display all vegetables, and you can see it display two vegetables that are in the data dictionary, potato, and price is 150 pkr. The second is tomato, that price is 1000 pkr. So stop the program and complete. Call the remaining functions accordingly. So elif choice is equal to 3, then call the function change price and give this the argument vegetables data, and if the choice is 4, call the method delete vegetables and give this the argument vegetables data, and if the choice is 5, then save the modified data to the text file before editing. So choice 5 is for exist of the program. So before existing, we will save the data that is in our vegetables data dictionary. We will store this data into the text file. So call the method save data in file. This will store the data in the text file. Give this the vegetables data dictionary as argument. Now all the 5 choices are completed. So if the user enter the choice 5, that is for the exist of the program, after saving the data into the file, break, that will cause the program to break exist, and if the choice is out of range from 1 to 5, then print invalid choice, else print invalid choice. Please enter a number from 1 to 5. Now all the methods are defined and called. Now we will run our program to check whether it is working properly or not. In this function, I defined a method display menu that will display the menu to display, add, change and delete the existing vegetables. Then the next method is load data that will load the data when we will run the program from the text file. The next method is save data in file. This method will save the data to the file. The next function that I defined is display all vegetables. This will display all the vegetables that are in vegetables data dictionary. The next function is add vegetable function. This function will add new vegetables to the vegetables data dictionary and will save the data in the text file also. The next is the function change price that will be able to change the price of an existing vegetable and will also update the price in the text file. Next is a delete vegetable method, that is to delete the existing vegetable from the vegetable data dictionary and text file. Then I call these methods according to the choice of the user in the main program. Now let's run the program. First of all, it display the menu option, display all the vegetable and prices, add a new vegetable and prices, change the price of the existing vegetable, delete an existing vegetable price. 5 is exist. First of all, I give this the input 1 to display all the vegetables, and it displayed vegetables. Potato, price of potato is 150 pkr, and tomato, price of tomato is 1000 pkr. So it is displaying all the vegetables. So now I check the second option, that is add new vegetables and prices. So I give this the choice 2, and see here it prompts the enter the new name of new vegetable. So here I will add the name of the new vegetable. Let I enter green chili and press enter. See here it again prompted for the price of the vegetable. See if I enter 100, then it display a message green chili has been added with the price of PKR 100, and again display the menu option. Now again I check whether it is added to the data or not. So I enter the choice 1, and now it display the vegetable data and prices from the vegetable data dictionary, and it display the green chili that I added. After this, the third choice is change the price of an existing vegetable. Let I want to change the price of existing vegetable. Then it prompted me enter the name of the vegetable to change the price. Let's I enter the potato, enter the new price, and new price is 500 pkr. Then you can see the price of potato has been updated to pkr 500. It display a confirmation message. Now I can call the display all and check whether data is updated in the data dictionary. You can see the it display the price of potato pkr 500. The next menu item is delete an existing vegetable and price. Let's check this. Enter your choice, enter 4, and it prompted enter the name of the vegetable to delete. Let's enter, let's I want to delete the potato from the list. Now this will delete the potato vegetable from the vegetable data. See here, confirmation message is displayed. Potato has been deleted. If you want to confirm, you can call the display all vegetables function. And see here, now only tomato and green chili are in the vegetable data. Potato has been deleted. The last menu option is exist. Let enter 5 and process finished successfully.